Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Beats. I'm back and this time we're making a wonderful wiring. It's super easy to make and looks gorgeous. I'm completely in love. Without further ado, let's get started. Really easy, isn't it? Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. As I always say, let your imagination run free and make yours. I'm sure you'd love it. If you liked this idea, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more creative DIY jewelry. I post new videos twice a week, so don't forget to switch the notification bell. Many thanks for watching and see you on Wednesday, but until then remember, still beautiful, smile and be very happy.